In tonight's video, we're going to talk about division, and we're going to look at the chart that I posted on our Facebook group earlier today. Think about the area model for multiplication that we use. We started on the outside and moved our way to the inside. Well, with division, we're going to start on the inside and work our way out, because this is really just saying 5 times what equals 142. So in our problem, I'll go ahead and do the same one as the model. We're going to do 142 divided by 5. And I know it zooms in and out on my hand, and I'm sorry I can't find a good way to make a video where it does not do that, or where you can actually see where I'm writing. And I also want to say sorry for these dry hands. I know they are ratchet, but it is Corona time, and we got to be careful and wash our hands over and over. So I'm going to start by drawing a box just like I did in my other ones in my area model for multiplication. I'm going to put my divisor on the outside. That's the number I'm dividing by. And I'm going to start right here with my 142. I'm going to put them up in the corner. And then the kids have to think 5 goes into 142. How many times without going over? I tell them to look at this first couple of digits. And I'm going to think 5 goes into 14 2 times. So I'm going to put 20 up here and make it one of my partial quotients. Then I'm going to subtract that 100, because 5 times 20 is 100. Think back to the area model. Everything we work on the outside is going to feed our inside. So I'm going to subtract that, and I get 42. I'm going to bring my 42 up here. Now, the kids can come up with different numbers. If they came up with 10 here and subtracted 50, that's okay. They can do 10 2 times. All we're going to do is, no matter which numbers we decide to work with, they're going to all add up and give us the same answer. So now I'm going to look at 5 goes into 42. How many times without going over? And that would be 8. So 5 times 8 is 40. And I'm going to subtract that and get 2. Well, this is going to be my remainder. And then all I'm going to do is go up here, and 20 plus 8 is 28, with a remainder of 2. Okay, I can also do partial products, because this one is the area model. Okay, and then I can do the partial products model, which is the same thing. So I'm going to do 142 divided by 5. So I'm going to think 5 goes into 14 2. And I'm going to put a 0 because I've got another place right here. So then I think 5 times 20 is 100. So I'm going to subtract that. And I'm going to get 42. 5 goes into 42 8 times. See how I stack my quotients up here, my partial quotients. And I'm going to subtract that, and I'm going to get 2. So that's my remainder. So I have 20 plus 8 is 28, with a remainder of 2. So these two are the same thing. They're just, hold on, I cannot write and talk at the same time. This one puts it into an area model, which is connected to the area model for multiplication that they know, because this is just saying 20 times 5 is 100, 8 times 5 is 40. It's the same principle, but this one just goes vertically, which is what most parents are comfortable with. If you want to tackle the traditional algorithm, aka the old-fashioned way with them, I welcome that. They really did not like it when I tried. They do better with this one. And if it's still super confusing, contact me and I will try to make it clear.